Excuse you. Are you a startup founder?
Yes, I am.
If you had no resources and you had to start up a startup straight from scratch, what's the one tool, resource, and network connection you'd leverage to completely supercharge your startup?
Start connecting with smarter people than yourself.
Yeah, and then you think that's the one key thing to help you go above all else.
Absolutely. I think community around a startup is essential.
Yeah. You have that really unique mix between students and startups. When's the last time a student has really impacted you and changed your mind about something to do with startups?
I think that happens every day.
Every day.
You know, you've got to keep an open mind.
Yeah.
Business changes constantly, so if you're not changing with it, you're an old, I was going to say old fart.
And then last question, you obviously have a lot of experience with startups. You've obviously seen a lot of new people like us come to the woodworks. What's the one thing that not a lot of us talk about, but you know that we'll end up understanding eventually about startups?
Customer is everything.
Yeah, and that's the key thing, isn't it?
Absolutely. Know your customer intimately.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you for your time.
You're most welcome.